Hello dear friends. I have the pleasure of presenting another great offer from Bulgarian propertyfinder.com. Located on the banks of the Danube River, amidst beautiful nature, in the lovely village of Ryahovo, you will find this newly built house. The property consists of 3 floors, with a total built-up area of 219 square meters, situated on a flat plot of 1,241 square meters. Far from the city noise and polluted air, the property harmoniously combines classic English style with modern conveniences. The interior features stylish and comfortable furniture made from high-quality materials. More information about the floor layouts can be found in the description. The house is equipped with water and sewer installations, a heating system with installed radiators, a new electrical system, external insulation, and a new roof. Renovation and expansion of the property began in 2019, with the main work now completed. Call us to learn more and explore this wonderful property. You can find more details in the description of this video. If you have a property you would like to sell or rent out, we would be happy to help. We know the fastest way to your buyer or tenant. Call us to learn more and to view this beautiful property. Colleagues from other agencies are welcome. We are Bulgarian propertyfinder.com and we would be happy to work together. Don't miss the opportunity to make this property yours. Through our established partners in the banking and insurance sectors, we at Bulgarian propertyfinder.com provide absolutely free assistance for all types of financing, insurance, and investment programs tailored to the individual needs of each of our clients. Call us for a free consultation. If you have a property you would like to sell or rent out, we would be happy to help. We know the fastest way to your buyer or tenant. Thank you for your trust.